Yes. Today again we will start with rectification of errors. Let's see something new transactions today. Let's start with first. First transaction is 5,000 rupees being the cost of a radio purchased for the personal use of the proprietor has been posted like this. This is the secondary part. We will read it afterwards. First of all, we will read the first part of the transaction. This is given that there is one radio of 5,000 rupees for personal use it was purchased. So how we will record it here? It should be recorded like this. For personal use it was purchased. So it is being purchased for personal use. Okay. Personal use means with drawings we will prepare its entry. Drawings account debit to cash. But what the wrong part we did, now we will read it. What is the wrong part? Wrong part is has been debited to radio account in ledger. Where do we prepare ledger? In business account books we prepare ledger. Okay, so in ledger we debited to radio account. So radio is treated as, it was treated as asset purchased. See, this is the wrong thing. What, the radio was purchased for personal use, so it should be recorded in debit as a drawings. But what we did, this radio was recorded as an asset purchased in business. So in business, it was recorded like radio debit to cash. This was the wrong part. Let's see how to rectify. First of all, we will see here two cash and two cash. These two transactions, cash must, as per the right entry, cash must be in credit. It is already in credit. With the same amount, with the correct amount, it is in credit side. So there is no correction required for this. We will mark here cross. No correction is required. We will mark here cross. Rest of the two items we have 1 and 2. Two items we have, and we have to make correction of these two items. Let's see what these are. First of all, drawings. As per the right entry, this is the right entry now. As per the right entry, drawings must be debited. Have we debited it? As this is what we did. Have we debited drawings in debit? No? Okay, now we will do it. Drawings debit 5,000. Now we have done. This part is rectified. Done. Let's see this one. Radio. As per the right entry, see there. Do the radio required to be debited? No, but we debited. We have debited extra unnecessary. So we have to cancel it, finish it. How we will finish? By transferring it in opposite side. Here we will write 2 radio. First time I told you that no rule regulation are followed in rectified entries. Only correction is made. That's all. No rule regulation is applied. Clear? So, this is the rectified entry and it is automatically balanced and complete. No other effort is required. Why do I say this sentence? Whenever we do some one-side errors, then you will understand it that we don't need any efforts. Let's go for the second. See, the next transaction is goods taken by the proprietor for 1,000 has not been entered in books at all. That means there was some goods taken by the proprietor. Taken by the proprietor for personal use. If the proprietor has taken these goods in for personal use, so it should be recorded as drawings. In his personal account, it should be recorded, but it says that nowhere it is recorded. Its right entry was drawings debit to purchases. Goods he has taken na? It should be right entry, drawings debit to purchases, but nothing is passed. No wrong, right, nothing, no entry is passed through. Now we will prepare the entry. If it was not done, now we will prepare the entry. Drawings debit rupees 1000 to purchases rupees 1000. We forgot to make entry. Now we will prepare the rectified entry. Done? Let's see the next transaction. See, the next transaction is a little difficult and important. You will listen it carefully. See, a check of rupees 500. Listen, check. If he says check, that means it is a bank. The entry will be prepared with bank. Okay. A check of rupees 500 received from X. We are receiving from X. Was credited as. That is the secondary matter how it was done. First of all, check received from X. What the right entry should be prepared. Let's see the right entry. This should be the right entry. Bank account debit to X rupees 500. Now let's see what wrong is done. Credited to the account of Y. Credit should be done with X, but here we did credit with Y. Y's account is credited. And to cash instead of bank. And it was recorded as a cash account. It was a check matter, na? It was check transaction, so it should be recorded as bank, but it was by mistake recorded as cash. So let's see how we will rectify it. Now bank should be debited, it is not done. X should be credited, it is not done. Cash should not be, Y should not be. So all four are wrong. We have to rectify now four transactions. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to rectify it one by one. Yes, beta. So we have four items. Let's rectify it. What? Bank account debit. Bank should be debited. We have not done. Now we will do it. Bank debit 500. Whatever will move, it will move along with its amount. Okay, this is done. Let's see the second. X should be credit. It is not done. Now we will do it. 2x 500. Next one is, this is done. Next is cash. Cash should not be debited. Wrongly we did. So let's finish off it. Cash is in debit. We will finish here. Cash credit. This is done. Now Y. As per the right entry, Y should not be anywhere. Y should be cancelled. So Y will be transferred in debit. See, this is the rectified entry. Okay, this is the rectified entry which we prepare. All four items are rectified. Done. Let's find out something new. It was completely different entry, a new entry. Okay. Let's see next one. See one more transaction. An amount of 1600 rupees due from Chandan Lal was written off as bad debts. in previous year. ट्रांजेक्शन क्या है? अभी ट्रांजेक्शन नहीं आया है. इट इज द बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी दैट इज that we have to receive 1600 rupees from Chandan, but Chandan became insolvent and it was bad debt. So these 1600 rupees we already have transferred in bad debts previous year. Unexpectedly received this year and his account credited to the account of Chandan. This year we received. कैसे किया उसको हमने एंटर? दैट इज सेकेंडरी थिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट एंट्री. अगर कोई बेड डेट प्रीवियस ईयर में बेड डेट्स राइट ऑफ कर देते हैं, देन इन करंट ईयर व्हाट वी डू? इन करंट ईयर वी विल record as bad debt recovery account. So how we will record it? Cash debit, we are receiving cash, है ना? So cash debit to bad debts recovery account. It is not Chandan account. It should not be bad debt account. It is bad debts recovery account. This should be the right entry. And what the wrong entry they prepared? They prepared that it was recorded with Chandan's personal account. So let's see how Chandan's personal account will be recorded. It was recorded like this. Okay, so ethically it is wrong now. How we should record? If bad debt are now received, so it is bad debt recovery, but we have recorded as personal account. Let's rectify it. So just check, cash should be debited and cash is already debited with the correct amount. No correction is required to cash. Then here no correction is required. We have to just two items to rectify. First is bad debt recovery, second is Chandan. Let's rectify. Bad debt recovery must be in credit. Have we done? No. Now we will do it. No. Bad debt recovery account. We did it. Okay. Now Chandan should not be credited. So let's cancel Chandan. Chandan is debit and the entry is rectified entry is balanced itself without doing any efforts. Okay. Now let's move for the another entry. Give me just 1 minute. Let's see. The next transaction is purchase book has been overcast by 1000. Overcast means total extra. Over debited, credited, where whatever is the right place for purchases. Generally, where the purchases are recorded. Purchases are recorded in debit. Purchases are expenses and expenses are always in debit. So if we rightfully we will record the purchases, it will be recorded in debit side and it is overcast, that means in debit side purchases had been written extra. For how much amount it was recorded extra? 1000 rupees. No need to write off two. Credit item का हमें कुछ नहीं करना. There is just one mistake, that is purchases has been recorded overcast. Overcast हुआ है ना purchases, तो how we will rectify it? ठीक है? Purchases extra debit हुआ है, purchases को cancel कर दो. It is not right entry actually. Wrong part we did. Wrongly purchases extra debited. Now purchases is rectified. जितना extra debit हुआ था, overcast हुआ था ना, जितना extra debit हुआ उतना हमने credit कर दिया. Now it is rectified. Just see the journal entry. Is it correct or not? It is one-sided only. Nothing is written in debit. It is incomplete. So how we will fulfill it? This is one-sided error. That is why again and again I was telling you that journal and the rectified entry is balancing itself, completing itself. But here it is not completing itself. Here it is not balancing itself. Then how we will do the correction? Let's see. If there is nothing in debit, then we will fulfill this debit side with suspense account. Do you remember when we were preparing trial balance and both the side of trial balance, debit and credit, does not tally with each other? Then in such case, what we were doing? We were fulfilling it with suspense account. This is that suspense account. So here we write suspense account debit 1000. Now the journal entry is complete and it is rectified. I hope this is clear to understand everyone. Now let's see the next transaction. Listen carefully. Purchases from Ram rupees 20,000 has been omitted to be posted to his account. अभी second part छोड़ते हैं. First part. What is the first part? Purchases from Ram 20,000. So what the entry should be prepared? Right entry. Purchases from Ram. It should be the right entry. Purchases debit to Ram 20,000 rupees. This should be the right entry. And wrong entry says, the second part of this transaction says, omitted to be recorded nahi. Recorded means complete entry is missing, omitted. But here it says omitted to be posted. Posting means there is one side is wrong. What is this one side wrong? That is, he is pointing out that in his personal account. That means Ram's account entry is not posted. Purchases is correct itself. It was recorded like this. Purchases debit 20,000 and here we forgot. We forgot to post here. Okay. So now we will rectify. There is no correction required in purchases. Purchases is correct. No purchase correction is required. Ram should be credited. It is not done. Now we will do it. To Ram along with its amount we have written, but nothing is in debit. It is again incomplete because this is one-sided error. There are two items and it should be posted twice, and purchases account is posted correctly. No correction is required, but the Ram account, it should be posted. We forgot to post it. Now we will post Ram. This is one-sided error. So the rectified entry is incomplete. How we will complete it? With suspense account. Now the rectified entry is complete and balanced. Okay, let's see. One more transaction we will take. See, purchases from Shyam rupees 15,000. Purchases from Shyam. What should be the right entry? Purchases debit to Shyam 15,000 rupees. This should be the right entry. And what the wrong is done has been posted to debit of his account. See here, there is nothing wrong in purchases. It says that debited to his personal account. श्याम के अकाउंट को क्रेडिट होना था और श्याम के अकाउंट को हमने क्या कर दिया? श्याम डेबिट 15,000. श्याम was debited wrongly. Purchases में there is no mistake. Purchases अपनी जगह पर. Purchases अपनी जगह पर है. Shyam should be in credit, but Shyam wrongly debited. एंड रिकॉर्डिंग में ये गलती नहीं हो सकती बिकॉज वी आर प्रॉपरली एजुकेटेड अकाउंटेंट. वी कांट डू सच टाइप ऑफ मिस्टेक दैट दिस साइड इज completely missing and here we have recorded to debited. You know, it can't be done. But in posting, during posting, if this type of mistake can be done, that it was posted in ledger, purchases correctly posted in debit, but Shyam should be recorded in Shyam's account credit, but it was wrongly debited. So there is nothing wrong with purchases. Okay, the mistake is in Shyam. So we have two Shyams to rectify. Let's see from first. As per the right entry, Shyam should be credit. Shyam is not in credit. We will write here. To Shyam along with its amount. Okay, this is done. Now the second Shyam. What we did? Shyam we recorded in debit. It should not be. Now we will record this. We will cancel this Shyam which was wrongly debited. We will cancel it in credit. To Shyam. Shyam is the one person, no? So we should combine it. Why should we write it separately? We should combine these two Shyams, no? So let's combine. Combine कैसे करते हैं? One time we will write Shyam and we will make addition with the amount. This is 15 plus 15, 30,000. And the next part is, this is also correction done, all the corrections done, but nothing recorded in debit. How we will fulfill it? With suspense account. Suspense account 30,000 we will record in debit and the transaction will be complete. These are the one-sided errors. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now if anybody having any problem, then you may ask it.